vlog. Favorite.
How much is yours?
Yeah.
Ako. Uy, ka-cute ko, Gwan.
Awesome.
Thank you. Oh, Bacolod 2.0. Kalea. Wait, did I?
The first company to commercially introduce thick strain yogurt was a Greek company called Fage. And commercially to the US and Europe. This is my commonplace. Okay, they call it Greek yogurt to highlight its origin and Mediterranean appeal. Wow. Now the name is synonymous with strained protein-rich style. Ang tawag sa Greek yogurt sa Greece is stragisto. Creamy and tangy yogurt in Greece. That's it. Guys, I swear, I'm having so much fun. And I will show you.
More.
Human in AI lang.
Wow.
You want to see my coffee?
Wow.
So this is, well, di naman ko kagets. Like, it's there. What is that? Kabalo ko also yung naka-trigger, nag-order ko ba? Tapos naik ka ng Americano, long black. Ano ko, long black? Pero kung meron with Americano, what's the difference? Yeah. Dito, the blue is water. Wow. Thank you. Thank you. And I'm proud of you. Yeah, and the difference between pasta and noodles.
Sige daw. Iwan ko ba na?
So, ang origin sa pasta is?
Italy.
Yes. Okay, but ang ilang wheat gagamit sa pasta kay durum wheat, semolina, and water and eggs. Okay, then ang noodles. Ang origin is China, Asia. Ancient origins. Then namutang dili na. Ha? Sulfur. Wait.
Sulfur?
Softer. Ang ihang ano is... I actually don't know. Kasi different ang ilahang preparation.
Mas taas yung protein ng basta.
Yes. Okay. Whatever, I have no idea. Basta kahit all pasta are noodles, but not all noodles are pasta. Yes, it's all pasta are noodles. Okay, how it's preparation of pasta is secret squeezed, firm bite. I'll guess it. No, not really. They have softer, silkier texture. No, not really. Versatile ingredients used in soups, stir fries, and I don't know what that is.
Huh?
I'll figure that out next time, but I have no broth. Okay, broth. Yes, that's it. And then I'll show you my picture.
Tadadan!
You're holding it now. This is my journal. So this is my commonplace. It is just random stuff that you like, random information. This one is my sketch. Hey guys, kabalo mo, nag-sketch na kong real pictures. It's not realistic, but look at what I drew. Thank you. See, I don't have anyone to share this with, so I have to show it to you. So this is, what is the out of the hand? Huh? My rating mo. My rating sa food. Because this is,
Dinner?
yeah, I had, this is like, going with sa food.
Seminar.
And then, I mean, and then this is my sushi. Ayami. That's a place. Yeah, that's a place. Okay. And then, and what's your rating? Ayami was here. 7 out of 10. And Mori salmon. Oh, Cebu Maki. It has Mura of slice,
Cebu signature.
a slice of a lime on the top. It's yummy.
You could be like a food critic now.
Thank you. Okay, I will. And this is
The girl with the food.
oh, like ako nagpicture na this like with raw.
Ego from Brandon.
Yes.
Drawing.
And then this is the cafe I went to. It's called the Neighborhood Cafe. It's in the neighborhood.
That's why it's neighborhood cafe.
And that's all. Thank you for indulging me. Thank you.
We're watching tech rehearsal for the BSC 2026. Nag-vlog ko, guys. So hungry na. Oh, it's so big. Ta-da!
Me.
Resourceful.
Very Instagram.
Different ways. Below. Deep fried. After.
Ang burst feed pa rin, kuya.
Wait, ipakita ba ang photo?
Wait.
Wow! Oh!
Ayan. Spicy. Killer look.
Sa cute.
Killer lang.
Killer look, Bella. Nakita?
Okay, we're entering the Bridgerton area.
Oh. Doon hindi dahil tao. Beep, 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 beep. Ah, cuties. We're going to go sa door. Why, sa door, di ba? Or ano mo? Ay, kaay sa kanang curtains?
Oh.
Or I don't know. Murag.
Trust me.
That's good.
Hair clip. A charet din tayo.
Ano, Rosie? Na, lugay na. Wala.
This is for Ash. Giving Ash. For the feet.
Huh?
Oh, yan yung mga tao.
Huh?
If
Ah. Unsa siya mo siya ka nang ingat.
Ayan, trusted siya. Sige ko lang.
Dapat isa.
Ganit. Wait, this is nice.
Yeah. You know, it's very UH.
Wait, what's up?
Dala ang mahal. Abay na tayo. Come on.
Wait, good try ba dahil ka nang Same ratagwig tanan. And we'll go out.
One star.
Tapos si Dominic mag-week food.
Correct. Muna na ako tatong
Ayo.
Ano sa pagka-color sa wig?
Basta, ay ka nang,
Hindi ako ng bob.
Bob ba?
Nga nag-get
ka nang mga dala, ay ka nang dala, di ba?
Yeah.
Ngayon nga na, ano?
Sige. Mali ka ron. Matuta sa Broadway Jams. Sa Broadway Jams. Ah, she's tall.
Wait.
Can have not.
Ha?
Is that a riddle?
Paano?
Pwede din mo siya i-knot like a yo-yo style.
Oh, wait. Oh. Item 1. Ah, hold on.
Item 1. Item 2.
Okay.
Go,
Go, go, go.
Page talk.
What?
Oh, you have to talk to Donna.
Hello.
Ano mo?
I have no idea.
Dapat siguro far. Siguro kay naka-wrap per gihapon ang.
Sige. Hello, yung na. Ha?
Ay, ganun tan.
Nandiyan na.
Ganun ka kaya?
Lagay yung talikod ko. Wala more.
Ay, diba? Curious. What?
Other dried flower.
Dried? Yeah. Oh.
Thank you, Brandon. You traveled high and low for dance, but
Thank you.
And let them run.
compensated by Angela.
Ay,
Nanette.
Ta-da! Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Wala, this video. What's wrong with me? Finally.
Okay, mo. Julia. Yay!
Ano itong floor plan, ma'am? Tapos, okay, palitan naman siya in full. Fully furnished siya. Kuhan.
Sarang!
Kapatid ako mag-pressure.
The artist. Charm.